What's going on? Welcome. In today's video, I want to actually just take the time to give you a quick channel update, describe the nature of how this channel will be changing, from this point onwards, just talk a little bit more about also what I've got going on currently. So just to give you a quick update on how things are going right now and the future of Personal Mastery Quest. So starting tomorrow, Friday, we will be doing now new videos 3 times per week instead of daily videos, okay? So the new video schedule from now on is going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we're gonna stick to the schedule. However, sometimes I may sprinkle some videos here and there, like if I'm just recording casually on a swing or whatever. But the main schedule will now be 3 times per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, okay? And so why this change? This is something that I've been feeling kind of intuitively recently, where I've been being urged to sort of do the 3 videos per week rather than daily. I feel like I had this realization that I've created such a vault of knowledge on my channel. Like I have around 500 or so videos by now. So it's literally like a vault, right? Like a wealth of knowledge on this channel, to where any new viewer that comes in has so many videos to watch, even like existing viewers. There are so many videos to watch from every single topic in spirituality and create your own reality, from meditation to self-inquiry to, creating whatever. At this point, what's necessary is not quantity, but rather extreme quality, right? Going truly deep within each video and providing the best experience and direct pointers to what I'm talking about, right? So, I also love doing the casual videos and everything like that. So I will be sprinkling more videos here and there, but the main schedule from now on will be 3 times per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And so we'll stick to that, and I'll update you as time goes on, okay? Part of the reason for this change is also now due to increased activity for my program, my business, just, in life and everything. This is the necessary change that's required now to really be of greatest service to my clients now. I want to really make my program the best it can be and really be of greatest service to my clients, but also the viewers of this channel. So I want to really provide the best quality content, and so this change will really help me to do so. So I'm really excited to enter this new phase of Personal Mastery Quest. I want to thank you for your support through this past phase. It was really a good time doing daily videos for almost like 8 to 10 months now. I don't even remember. I think I started like last May or something like that. I'm not sure, but definitely haven't missed, I don't think, more than a video, maybe not even that, since last May or June. But it was a good time. Excited to enter this new phase. So make sure to keep tuning in. We're going to start this right, tomorrow from Friday. So now the new schedule, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, new videos. Okay. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and you hit the bell so you get notified every single time I put out a new video. I already have a few videos already made. So the next couple of videos are going to be very similar to what you're seeing right now. However, as time goes on, you're going to see the type of change that we're making to the videos. There are going to be a lot more visuals. There's going to be, they're going to be more thought out, everything like that. So really excited for that. If any questions about this, let me know in the comment section below, okay? I'm happy to clear up any doubts or questions. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. But that's all for today. Again, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.